Hi there! Today, we are excited to introduce our revolutionary point system to enhance your gifting experience. This innovative approach allows you to assign points based on performance, contributions, and achievements, offering a personalized and meaningful way to reward employees and clients. Recipients can now redeem their points for a diverse range of gifts from Giftpack's extensive catalog, choosing something that truly resonates with them. This personal touch adds a deeper layer of appreciation, strengthening relationships and boosting morale. But the benefits go beyond just individual satisfaction. The point system empowers organizations to set performance goals and celebrate achievements, fostering a culture of engagement and motivation. By recognizing positive contributions, organizations can drive better results and create a more rewarding work environment for everyone. Get ready to dive deeper into how this exciting new system works. When you log into your dashboard, you'll notice a new button at the top right labeled Gifting View. This feature allows seamless toggling between the traditional gifting approach and the newly introduced point system. Managing your available credits and points is effortless, with a transparent conversion rate of $1 equating to 100 points. The interface provides intuitive calculations, tracking, and a clear history log of allocated and redeemed points. Regarding recipients, integration into the system is straightforward. You can either invite existing platform users to join the point system or create new profiles for recipients. Simply enter their basic details like first name, last name, email, relationship type, and account owner. Upon acceptance, recipients can personalize their profiles, track their points balance, and browse the gifts marketplace. Managing points from your perspective is equally user-friendly. You can easily add or deduct points, set expiration dates, and monitor your total points balance. From the recipient's perspective, logging in to redeem gifts is a breeze. The shopping experience is simplified, with easy navigation and clear indications of remaining points and available items. The process mirrors a shopping cart, allowing recipients to choose items within their points balance. For flexibility, there's an option to pay directly for items exceeding their points through credit card transactions. Thank you for joining us as we explore Giftpack's innovative point system. I trust this walkthrough has illuminated how effortlessly you can integrate and oversee points for rewards and recognition. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Giftpack, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.